Video review on the Powertec LeverGym. This is a multi-dimensional system, weight system. You can do flat bench, decline, incline, shoulder presses, pull downs, lateral pull downs of pull-ups of varying accessories. The LeverGym. It's got about, I think the pulley system there is a 300-pound capacity. The weights here, a 500-pound capacity, which is plenty for the most average Joe, the most average man or woman. You got a nice bench system, pretty well built, leather-ish, I'd say, pretty thick. It slides back and forth, down and up, and it's got a solid base. It's got positions for straps to adjust and link into the rods in order to get more resistance out of your various workouts. You want to add another 20 to 30% of difficulty to any given weight. Various attachments. It's got a lower pulley system where you can do rows, pulls, anything do some things with your legs. You can squat in this as well. I don't usually use it for squatting, but we'll put this to the highest level, and then it's got a bar that attaches from here across. So you could do squats from a raised position, about the middle, up. This bar is also used for close grip benching, if you have that kind of dexterity and want that movement. Let me show you something here. You got these different positions that you can set for all these different exercises. The lower ones are best for benching, middle ones for incline and shoulders, and then, like I said, the upper one probably for doing squats. When you have this bar in, this first bar system here goes right through this thick handle, goes right through the ring gauges there, and it holds these weights together. So when you lift, these are going to go up together. They're going to hold down on that rod very securely. Holds down there, or you could take that out. You could take this out, slides right out, and then you have more range of motion right there. The other benefit to this is you can take this rod out. If you have it in, these things go up together. These arms will travel together. If you take this one out, it's one at a time. Your left to right are moving independently. So you can adjust that as you wish, or try them both. Those rods are very secure there. Good range of motion going up, as you can see. I would say this is medium. It's gym quality, but not industrial, but it's high quality home gym use. You got your levers on top. Nice pulley system there. You can attach various lat pull downs, different accessories for pull downs or tricep extensions. I love it for lats. I love it for pull-ups, forward and reverse. I'm starting to use this as well for other back definition. You got a pad here that you can adjust to be for your lat pull downs or your rows, or just get it out of the way when you're laying down. There's a little bit of it's kind of difficult you just gotta watch this when you lay down. Sometimes you can slide a little bit and kind of touch this area, but there's nothing nothing dangerous about that. You just know that that's there. You don't want to slide into the bar. Powertec is the company. Powertec LeverGym is this model. There is a fancier model than this. It's called the multi-system, I believe, and it's got this, essentially this system in it, but a little bit more. There's a separate squat station, and there's a separate ab station, things like that. So I elected this to be a little bit more straightforward, a little bit more to the point of working out, rather than some of those nicer things to have in the system. So this holds a lot of weight, as you can see there. There's a rod that you pop into that leg. This is well crafted overall. It's got solid steel. This holds quite a bit of weight, 500-pound capacity, plenty of places to stack your weight. The weight also helps to keep the system down, so you want to have this on a flat surface. The weight acts to keep you grounded and not moving around. There's not movement. Once your weight is on it, the weights are on it themselves. Even if you don't have a lot of weight on it, it's not going to move. Very stable. The seat moves back and forth just with a switch of a lever. Can't really see that. So a couple of levers to go up and down. This one here for back and forth. Everything's pretty user-friendly. Goes up that way and up this way. So for various points of adjustment, you might like it for various different exercises. Got some more handles here. The handles here for wide benching or a little closer. You could do it here as well for an internal type of point of emphasis. You can grab it right here on the side. You can do one side at a time and do rows on one side. Really, it's up to you as the lifter to determine what movements are best for your body. Just walk you around here a little bit. Of course, I put this together myself. You have to have a little bit of know-how to in terms of how to put things together. But if you have a reasonable amount of know-how, you can put a machine like this together. It takes a couple of good hours to do that. You got to unbox it. It comes well packed. Everything is well packed and accounted for. And then you have a set of bolts and all the nuts, and which is pretty well laid out. There's a couple of areas that are a little unclear, but again, if you use your own ingenuity, you can figure out what's going on. I would say this is I have very few complaints about this. I've had it for several months. I love it. I use it regularly. I keep it greased. I keep all the components greased. I keep everything lubricated, if you will. All these pulleys are spray silicone grease inside. Silicone grease. Same here. This goes up and down. Let's see if I can show you that. There's a lot of weight on there right now. Let's see. Let that budge a little bit. So this along with the other things that I use for my home gym, it keeps me from having to go to the gym and paying a membership. The expense of this, of course, it's not something that's cheap, but it's kind of an investment. You can look up their website to look at their details of pricing, but I think it's well worth the money. And if you're interested in not having to go to the gym anymore, this more than suffices, along with other things. I mean, this could be all in one for someone, but I do have a few other things that keep me happy and not having to go to the gym. But this is the main center point. It's about 6 feet long, I would say, total. About 6 feet long, about 3 or 4 feet across. So you want to have room space for that, whether it be your garage or a room. And then another bonus to this system here, you can optionally had in different components to the end of the machine. And here I elected to go with a leg press. So the leg press attaches to the back, and then it's like you adjust your seating, and then you press that up. It's a nice workout, and it's another feature of your gym. They have a dip machine attachment, and I think there's a pec fly attachment as well. But this is the one I wanted to go with. Of course, you can get them all, but I don't have the other ones. They're a few $100s for each accessory in terms of this end here, but this is the one that was most appealing to me. Solid. Again, the weight's probably I could be wrong, but maybe 400 or 500 pound limit. So, all right, Powertec LeverGym. Want to do a quick video? You can add weights to the capacity, and there's multiple movements to choose from to enjoy your strength building and fitness. So Powertec, y'all take care.